Might need to add some. I'm gonna show you.
Do any kids have any allergies?
This 580 sounds better than my 640. I'll just cut the wire right here, and I'll put a quick disconnect in there.
Yeah. So you can keep them in. So you can keep them in place.
Yeah. So you can just leave them in here and just disconnect it. You know, serviceable stuff.
Yeah.
But I use the same connector that's the OEM connector for all the stuff in this car. Looks like these.
Yeah.
So it's not obvious that it was done aftermarket, but it's just something that makes life a little bit more worth living. So there's supposed to be clips in here with screws.
Yeah. Yeah, on the plastic.
Yeah, they're probably at the bottom of the trash pile in whatever city this car came from. Long gone. Come back out with your side. There you go. All right. You're like, oh, thanks.
At that point.
There's supposed to be a thing for these to hang up on, but I don't see it. Might need to add some. Let's check. Yeah, we need some for sure. So right above the little square thing that's in there. All right, let me check that. A little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna go switch it for water. They'll get the humming on it too.
Yeah.
Still need a little bit more. It's close, but just a little bit. I feel like my paint looks a lot more hodgepodge. Takes a while to get that last part out the funnel. Man, we're so close. Yeah, I think that's good right there. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's check our oil real quick too. Probably needs two more quarts for it to go all the way down. It's gonna give me a false reading, but I'm gonna check it anyway. Just need to drive it and check it again. Put all the carbon stuff in there and the little mesh screen that goes right here. And then we'll put this piece on and then the engine cover. Now the other piece on the other side will hold this in position. There's just one screw on that little piece. Hang on, there's a
bracket missing.
And it may have been missing all along, so. Were there a bunch of coarse thread screws in there?
Here? Yes. See?
Yeah, that's for this though.
There's... No,
this side's missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the one we did the most of, yeah. So these have clips that these have to go under. I'm trying not to redo the whole thing. Although, the piece that it's supposed to clip into this one does not want to stay in. This thing's not going to last long. So I think there was a clip in one of those.
A clip?
Yeah.
No, just a screw. I was just.
I think the side one over there.
Yeah, I got the clip already in.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be a clip. It's supposed to be a bolt. And there's supposed to be a rivet nut over there. I don't know why this thing rubs on that so much. I need to move it. Okay. Okay, so the metal piece goes from here to here.
Yeah.
Just covers all this.
This was in the cover too? Does
Oh
that
yeah.
go on that side?
Yeah, right there. Did you get those pieces on your side in the...
This?
No.
What?
Let me get there real quick. Here, take this. I don't have a use for this too. So screw in there. I'm gonna show you. All right, so down here,
Yep.
the bottom of this just clips into the little metal piece. This one may not bend enough. Yeah, just undo like these three.
The only three?
Is that it for real?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Because that one had that magical hole above the normal hole.
Yeah, somebody really just took a lot of license on this car. They were like, oh, I see where it's supposed to go. Let's just put another hole somewhere else. I mean, some of that I think is body shop. I mean, look at this down here. If this bat wing was up, you would see all this clear coat right here on the edge. Like they didn't, I mean, you could fix that with a razor blade. They just didn't do it. So down here, there's a little bracket that's riveted to the chassis.
So you do need the middle one.
There we go. Yeah, fits in here. So like it's impossible not to scratch it up when you're putting it in there.
Just a given, huh?
Yeah, it's just gonna happen. That's it. Are these all the same? No, they're not.
They were all just sitting in the tray.
2, 3,
And then I have that one.
4. All right, we got 2 and 2. Which one looks better for the top?
Probably those.
All right, those it is. Just stubby.
Yeah. Capellas. Yeah, oh yeah.
I like that they marked this one pink. You know, these might be too long. I got new bolts for this, and I think it might be too long. If you hit a stop.
Good. Is it dead center? Oh, no, I see it.
Where do you have that plugged into?
Plugged in. What do you mean? There's nothing plugged in.
This one's spun.
Oh, you're talking about
That bracket, yeah.
Oh. Mine's not a bracket. Mine's part of the deck.
No, mine is too, but the bracket on the third brake light panel is just spun
I see
around.
what you're saying. I didn't realize there was another.
It's not gonna hold that on worth the crap, but the other one will do okay.
What is it? I'll probably reach my hand in there.
I have no idea. I haven't touched it.
No, I honestly, I just lifted the whole panel up because it's attached to it. Shouldn't have been touched at all.
I didn't touch it.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Because we need. Okay. Johnny, your kids have any allergies if y'all show up?
No.
No allergies. Trust me.
Which is confusing because these are all engine covers.
I call it a deck lid. That's just me.
Is that because you're Italian?
Who knows?
Hey, when you go to put the bottom one in, watch that clip.
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't go launching across to you.
Yeah, it needs to. There you go. Did it sit?
It was bent. Now it's in.
Okay, okay.
Now we're in.
Is this sitting up on its own?
You have that 10 mil stick?
Yeah, it's in my pocket. Ooh, this is way off. Just gotta slide that bracket over.
My way. Which is crazy because I lined it up with. Just got a meeting burgers like a month ago. He wouldn't.
It needs to shift way your way.
It's loose.
Okay, mine's not. Okay.
Shove it. Like that.
But we need to, but we need to make sure that we get it tight like that.
When I tighten it up.
That should be good. I might pull it. Yeah. Go ahead and do yours.
Okay.
Still to the left.
Land, I think we're way back now. Because that looks like it's. Come back up. I mean, it's pretty damn tight.
Yeah, come back in with yours.
Okay.
Just a little bit. There's a lot of discussion about the 640 sounding better than the 580. And in general, I agree, especially in sound clips that you hear. But I will say that in this particular case, this 580 sounds better than my 640. Now granted, this has no cats on it. You're gonna get the best sound out of it with no cats. You'll get that really good pitch. So any of them without any cats will sound like that, and I can't live without cats. But mine still has the secondary cats on there, or the primary cats rather. This is just raw V12. And there is, like, you just have to be okay with it being loud in the cabin, because it is. Like, this is not a good date night car, we'll put it that way. It's a good day out with the bros car. Back to him with some gas too. Unlike how it showed up. Literally ran out of gas in the driveway, just idling. But in fairness though, the gauge is not accurate on here at all. I filled it up and it only went up to like 5/6 of a tank. There's little marks at each 6th mark on there, and it was right at the 2nd to the top. So crazy having no dash lights. Oh, I just turned one on. I just turned traction control on. This, I see the guys in the Murci owners group talk about like all immediately hitting the traction control button when they start driving, and I was like, I don't understand that. That makes no sense. Like, why do you turn? I mean, on my R8, that's the first thing I do. I turn the traction control off because that car really, the traction control kicks in a lot. But on the Murci, I don't find the traction control kicking in all that much. As soon as I drove this car, I was like, okay, that makes more sense. Because this car, even if you're not losing traction, it automatically kicks the traction control in when you start putting power to the ground. So now I get it. I've never had to turn it off in my car. I've turned it off before to see what it does, but I don't routinely have the traction control kicking in on my car. But this one, just even accelerating in a straight line, it kicks it on immediately. My car doesn't do that. It's weird. Now that the clutch is broken in a little bit, I can probably adjust the position of the pedal back down. Whew. Right there, that's the drone pitch. Rattles your teeth. Yeah, the thing about the seats, it's like dipped where your tailbone is.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't make it, like nobody's body's shaped like that. I guess maybe unless you're Italian. I don't know, because I mean, like my tailbone is square. Make it square. Like, and I want to like almost sit back, but then like there's no place for my butt to go.
Yeah.
It's just everything's just, the proportions are all off on the seat. It's very strange. You can even, once you sit in it and realize how weird it sits, you can even look at it and see that it doesn't look right. Like what seat bottom is dipped like that? Have you ever seen a chair that's just dipped? No, nobody's shaped like that. Freaking Gumby seats.
Yeah, it's really weird. I definitely don't want to be behind now.
See, I can't rev it up that high because the gears are so long. Up here in like an R8, I can hit third and fourth really easily, but this car, it's like so low in the RPMs at that speed, or in that gear. Curves, you want even on the throttle. It's going to maintain your grip on your tires. Still a little harsh, but it's all right.